Hello friends, welcome back to my famous, well-known, creative, informative and unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on Streamlit. We have seen lot of many of videos on Streamlit. We have seen gender and age classification using Streamlit, then face recognition using Streamlit. In our previous video, we have seen image was taken of different person and face was recognized, and the which person face was recognized, that name were displayed, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and this thing. And then we have seen attendance system using Streamlit. We have also seen many facial emotion recognition using Streamlit. Streamlit is a front-end tool for machine learning, and we have also seen face detection using Streamlit in different ways, and many more videos on Streamlit. Today's video is really interesting and creative. I had done one video long back ago, face alignment. I had taken the image of Saurabh Ganguly, and alignment of the face was done. Today's video, in which I have taken the images and I have aligned that images, but that time I had done at the command prompt. Now I am doing it using Streamlit. So let us go through the alignment of the images using Streamlit. So we'll go through the program first. This technique are not that much easy that you see. It requires a lot of settings and this thing, lot of dependence you need to resolve. I done that video and it got more views. So today we will see different manner alignment of face images using Streamlit. Now here you can see images are taken, and in my upcoming videos I will take the images of person. So Chiku, now here is the align success image. This is, now I will take this image. Here you can see this, and then I will take this, okay, and then the changes. Now here this changes, okay, now this changes 1.6. so that is the Streamlit front end tool. You can watch how images are cropped in different manner. Free is better, but still is required. So that is all about the face alignment. You can see here now, and this is very different style. Now I will take another image. Now you can check. Yes, now different image has been taken, the different style. Now yes, face alignment, different style. Now I will take another image of another person, Streamlit, then this thing. Yes, and one time. So images of different person using alignment using Streamlit. I will take this thing. Yes, fine. Take free. Yes, fine. So I successfully done with face alignment from image using Streamlit. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos. Instead of images of images, I will take the alignment of live faces or different faces or images, something different from this previous video. I will be back with more videos on Keras, TensorFlow, CNN, support vector machine, then attendance system, face recognition, face detection, then chatbot, and many more videos of Streamlit. Since everyone likes nowadays, the trend is that whatever you do want to do, you have to do it in browser. That's why more and more videos right now, from recently, more and more videos are on browser. Thanks for watching.